Okay, here's a little tour of the engine bay. We're gonna just go around here quick, take a look at any of the labels that we see. Just to show its authenticity. Honda. Punch there. Denso. V6. Take a look at here, and then we're going to start it up. AAA battery. Denso connectors. The label back there. Got the tower, strut towers. All looking good. So we're gonna turn this on the way we can hear it. And then let me go turn it on while I'm recording, because I'm again by myself. And then I'll come back around and we'll listen to it. Now this is not a cold start. I will do a cold start tomorrow after the car gets some time to cool down. But that's not a cold start. Okay, just to show you all the labels. Little Denso label. Zoom. Fan running over here. Pulleys. Alright, so I'll do a driving video next since the car is warm, and then tomorrow morning we'll do a nice cold start video.